Are you unsure if your phone's Bluetooth is working properly? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a built-in diagnostic tool that lets you quickly check its Bluetooth functionality. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under the Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Next, tap Phone Diagnostic. Here, find and tap the Bluetooth icon. If it's your first time running the test, your phone will start checking Bluetooth automatically. If you have tested it before, you will see the previous result instead. Simply tap Test again to run a new test. If everything is working properly, the result will show normal. However, if a problem is detected, you can tap Request a Repair button and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how to check Bluetooth with Phone Diagnostic on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.